Hey everybody, we're still on vacation, so guess what we're doing? We're going to go boating today. Maybe we'll bring you along and let you see, but we're going to be trying out something today, and that's our 9.8. We got it on the back of the boat. We're going to see if what I did rebuilding the carburetor works or not. We'll bring you along and show you what happens once we get in the water and get it going. We got our big motor though, just in case we need it. So here we are, we're waiting for these people to get out of the way, and we're going fishing. We're at Atwood Lake. It's a really nice place. We come here all the time to go fishing. Sorry if I turned a little fast on that one, but got a lot of houseboats, pontoon boats, and there's some of the lake. So we'll bring you back and let you see how this motor goes. Hey guys, guess what? My motor works. Look, it's
running good,
and we're just trolling along.
She did what I couldn't do, guys. I couldn't get that carburetor straightened around. Sandy did it.
Hoo-hoo for me.
Working good.
I did something right for once. So now we're going to go back to fishing. Whatever that big fish was that I got here, we lost him. He gave us a fight though, so we're back fishing again. We'll bring you back and show you what we get. Just wanted to let you know, my motor works.